Yanagawa. Ikimashou.
See you later.
Ikimashou.
Okay.
We lost count, but we already got more onigiri. I didn't get any actually. It's just cool. I think he just got 3 more. Ooh, more chicken. We do the same thing every day. If you come to Japan,
This is
the best shoyu.
Hawaiian water right here.
This is the best yakisoba ever. So good. We have made it to Yanagawa, the land of unagi and canal boat tour things. So we're off to find one. Sweet treat of the day.
First sweet treat of the day.
It's toasty. You were telling someone about Yanagawa. Would you recommend the canal tour?
Yeah.
I think it was really
Not
peaceful.
really much else though, unless you're willing to walk. I think to walk to the ocean's like an hour.
Yeah. A lot of stuff seems closed.
Maybe it's been like closed since COVID. Yeah.
It very well could be. Love an afternoon ice cream in Japan. We're back in Fukuoka, Tenjin. Whoa!
Whoa!
I really almost just went down. But we're going to get some gyoza that's apparently, I don't know, they make it special here or something. I don't know if that's true, but that's what we're doing.
Pretty cold, man.
It finally got chilly, yeah. When you're in the shade, it gets cold. I feel like I was pretty tired, like right before the train, and then we got to sit and relax. But we're back. We're ready to have a food crawl.
Call the food crawl because you're so full that you have to crawl to the next place.
We're just gonna eat a little bit at different places. We're gonna do a little food crawl, maybe a little bar crawl.
How many drinks are you having today? Say a number.
2 or 3.
Forgot what it's like
How many drinks are you gonna have?
to be with the weak.
Where are we going, honey? We kind of come to a dead end. Uh-oh, why does that sound so loud? Okay, update to the plan. We're going to have some tempura first and then gyoza. Just a small amount. Thank you. Tempura and then
Welcome back to your castle.
this tempura place came highly recommended and I had it saved too. So, oh my gosh, I just fell. I don't know what the heck I just did. We're delirious because we haven't eaten. So I feel like we're all off. Let's see, where is it? Babe, remember, don't go crazy, okay? We're just having a little bit at different places.
How much is a little bit?
I just want 2 pieces, like 1 sweet potato and 1 carrot. Maybe a green bean. Oh, perfect. Let's just share something. We're gonna get the cheapest one. Let me just get my super cute coin purse. Okay, which one, hun?
I'm just gonna press all the buttons and she will
Is it good though, hun? Do you like it? The flavor's really good. Wait, first you gotta say, what'd you think? Worth it? Not worth it?
I thought the vegetables are too raw. Like the onion was like biting into a uncooked onion, and the bell pepper, yeah.
I like the bell pepper.
But it was like a raw bell pepper, was it not? It was like you're like.
No, I like the bell pepper, and I like the green bean and the eggplant.
I'd say overrated. I'll be brutally honest.
I wouldn't go for my only dinner. That was perfect to share. That's why we're on a food crawl. Just gotta eat a little bit and then on to the next. He said he is glad that he didn't get a personal. I agree. I'm glad I tried it, for sure. And I'm glad we ate tempura once in Japan. Gotta like check everything off. What was the best part of the tempura place?
Takawasa.
Takawasa.
With a hint of
yuzu. Yeah, that was actually really good. I bit my tongue.
She only ate 1 piece though.
I ate 3 pieces.
She no can hang with the raw ika.
But we're going to gyoza now. And it's so pretty. Oh, we're in unison. It's closed.
It's supposed to be open.
We're gonna go to the van store and then come back. Chotomate on the gyoza. We're gonna go shopping and then come back.
Hey, it's me again.
Low tide, low tide. So we got the vans, but it looks like we're not gonna eat gyoza. Still closed. We're gonna just change the plans. This was on the way to our hotel anyways. We're gonna go eat IZAKAYA instead. We'll see. We keep changing our minds.
You know what time it is? Onigiri time. Tuna mayo.
How could you even think about that
Tuna
after that kind of meal?
I always need a tuna mayo nightcap.
No way!
Always need a tuna mayo nightcap.
There's no way to eat anything after that meal. Oh, look at the characters. Yeah, that's literally it. You know?
Wait, what are you saying?
I don't know what I'm seeing. I don't know which way.
That's her with the directions.
This way, that way. Oh wait, sorry, this way again.
Hey, bro, don't pick it.
これが一番高い橋です。
This is what?
The tallest bridge.
Oh, thanks, honey, for that info. Honey, put your head in one of these little things.
I can't get behind it.
Oh.
別れに船頭の花歌歌おう。さよなら、さよなら、また来てね。さよなら、さよなら、また来てね。またの会う日を楽しみに。って歌です。